get to Nimesh, who's standing by, to tell us what is he picking up in terms of D Street chatter. Well, Nimesh, the problem today is the broader markets. They have come in for a bit of a knock, though the headline index still appears to be pretty much in a range.
Yeah. So, Nigel, again, I guess it's more to do with the fact that there is so much of noise on the global front as far as the geopolitical risk is concerned. So that's going to have an impact on sentiment, at least in the near term. But do remember, today's fall is not backed by very large, institutional selling. So the volumes are on the lower side, is what I understand. Flows are mixed, but watch out for a large, the number may look large today because of the large Vishal megawatt block deal. I understand the almost 70-80% of the book was bid by domestic mutual funds. At least 3 or 4 large domestic mutual funds were anchor investors in that Vishal megawatt block. So the DI number could look very large today on the back of that large block. From a sector point of view, Pharma has seen a bit of profit booking today on the back of that Trump tweet on potential tariffs. So that's having an impact on some of the Pharma names today. But again, it's not backed by very large delivery selling, is what I understand. Technically, 24,800 is a first crucial support to watch out for. If that's taken out, then 24,400, 450 is the next level. But broadly, I guess today's fall is on low volumes. And also, as I said earlier, the DI number may look large because of that large Vishal megawatt block.
Okay, let's get to individual stocks then. Nimesh, what are you picking up today in terms of individual counters?
So the first stock on my list today is Keynes Technologies. I've been tracking this for a while now. We knew about the promoter block. That's done. And now I understand the QIP is very much around the corner. The company has actually confirmed to us that they are going to raise funds via QIP. I guess it's a 1,600 crore QIP, which might get open today, tomorrow. And there's a very strong demand is what I get a sense of. So Keynes is the first stock on my list on a potential QIP. Second stock is MGL, Mahanagar Gas. That's been buzzing in trade, one of the big F&O gainers today. Well, there was a Namura upgrade in the morning, but essentially this move today is backed by very strong FI buying as well. So expect high delivery volumes, and there is a bit of interest back in MGL. The third couple of stocks where there has been delivery-based buying in the last couple of days, KDDL and RHI Magnesita. Actually, KDDL was up to almost 18-20% yesterday on very large volumes. I understand one domestic mutual fund has been accumulating both KDDL and RHI in the last couple of days. And the last one is Ogro Capital. Again, while the stock has been consolidating of late, I understand there could be a corporate development very soon. A potential inorganic move by the company is something which the street is anticipating. So watch out for that in Ogro Capital.
Okay, all right, Nimesh, thanks very much for that. So that's basically